Wow, beautiful layered red hairstyle. I am absolutely in love with this hair color. It features like a really pretty cherry tone, and the layers look absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more before and after hair transformations. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. So she does have the scissors for this one. Oh, wow. Gorgeous pixie hairstyle. She does have the face framing bangs with this one. I love the overall shape and texture. Beautifully done. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone chop off their long hair. She has a bob here. And bam, another gorgeous pixie style. This one also features bangs in the front. Very nice. Oh, she's still going even shorter. So it looks like she got a nice faded buzz cut style. Very cute. And then we have someone else who decided to chop off their hair. I love her red hair color. So all that long red hair is gone. She reveals a chic little tousled bob style. I am obsessed with that hair shade. Very pretty. Next up, we see someone with a shoulder length hair. gorgeous pixie style. I love the shape and texture of this one. She has the swooping angled bangs going there in the front. Lots of volume throughout. Gorgeous. So here we have someone with long blonde hair. Oh, it looks like the stylist and barber is going super short. And we have another stunning buzz cut makeover. Very nice. Oh, so she's gonna get some color as well. Now, a lot of the times when women are getting the buzz cut, they are also going blonde, either bright blonde or platinum. So this is a very bold statement-making hair idea. Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. Such a beautiful hairstyle. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hair looks with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.